An obvious would be something like your average time to first touch. So you get a lead. How long does it take you to contact that lead? If it's a very long period of time, days, right? That's an obvious to us that we need to put some type of new process likely in place in Salesforce to automate some things for you so that we can get that down to a matter of minutes. Those key performance indicators refer to how the business should run for each department. You'll see on this screenshot I'm throwing up right now that there's several different KPIs for the departments that you have. And it basically works as a guideline to show you what you should be tracking so you can see if the business is performing like it should. So the number one thing is obviously track those. If you're sub 1 million, you should definitely be focusing on figuring out what those KPIs should be for your departments and then tracking them. If you are using a CRM like Salesforce right now, great. Track them in there. Make sure you know how you can come up with those numbers. The more typical bucket we run into with people we help is that they don't know what to do with those numbers. They don't see how that benefits them in any way. What we want to do on the Salesforce side, since a lot of these processes are in Salesforce, so time to first touch, for example, your sales team is going to be reaching out to a lead. We want to know how long that takes them. A lot of the times we see that that takes a significant amount of time. Well, what you're not paying attention to is reading in between the lines. If it takes them a lot of time to reach out to a lead, well, your competitors are reaching out to them, right? They may not be as interested if you reach out 3 days later. They may have forgotten about you a week later when you try to call. So you want to narrow that down to minutes, if not seconds, of, hey, we just got a lead. Let's have someone call them right now. And so the process is that get the lead from Facebook ads into Salesforce so that your sales reps can call them. Well, that process alone, we can automate. We can make that quicker and we can notify your sales reps when that happens. We can automate that whole thing so that you're not stuck relying on somebody trying to figure that out manually for you. So that's kind of what we're referring to in this sales call. That's how we improve the business and help you scale to the next milestone you have, whether that is your first million or it's 100 million that you're trying to get to.